everyone, welcome back to Bake Me Vegan. Today we are doing our very first recipe video on the channel. We are doing a vegan chocolate chip Pizookie. It's a play on the restaurant BJ's and their version of the pizza cookie. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let's get into it.
First, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to start off by making off our flax egg. You're going to combine 6 tablespoons of water with 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. Then you'll want to just mix that together so it's incorporated, and then we're going to set it aside so it has time to congeal. And then we're going to take an iron skillet and place it on medium-low heat. And then we're going to add a cup of coconut oil or vegan butter, whatever your preference, and we're going to melt that in the iron skillet. And once it's completely melted, you can take it off the heat, and we're going to add half a cup of white sugar and 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. And with a whisk, we're going to whisk it together until it is completely incorporated into the coconut oil. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and take 2 teaspoons of vanilla and the flax egg that we made previously and add that into the mixture. And then with a whisk again, you'll try and incorporate it as much as you can. The coconut oil doesn't like to combine with everything. And then we're going to add our dry ingredients. So 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I would suggest to whisk all of these dry ingredients together first, so then they're fully incorporated together before you start mixing it. And I did use a whisk at first, but whenever it started to become more like a dough, I switched over to a spatula and started lightly folding everything together. And once it's almost completely incorporated, that is when you will want to add in the chocolate chips. Now you want to do this very quickly because the pan is still warm. So you'll want to fold in the chocolate chips into the dough as quickly as possible. Because as you can see, the chocolate has started to kind of melt into the dough. And you'll want to smooth it out into the iron skillet since we will be baking it inside of it. And then if you like, you can also add a couple of extra chocolate chips on top, like I did here, just so you can see the actual chocolate chips since most of them melted into the dough already. And then I just smushed them in there to ensure that they stuck onto the dough. Alright, once that's done, we are ready to bake. You'll go ahead and put it in your preheated oven, and you'll bake it for 15 to 18 minutes depending on how you like your cookies. 15 minutes if you like them chewy, 18 minutes if you like them more crunchy. And there you have it. We have our delicious, humongous chocolate chip vegan Pizookie. It is so rich, so decadent, and is perfect with some vegan ice cream. I used Coconut Bliss here, but you can use whatever vegan ice cream you like. I personally love Nadamu. That's like my favorite vegan ice cream right now. Comment down below which ice creams you personally like. And you cannot forget the chocolate sauce on top. It just adds that extra layer of chocolate. It is amazing. Alright guys, and that is it. Comment down below and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want this type of content in your feed, and click the bell so that you're notified every time I do upload another video. Also comment down below if you have anything you want to specifically see from this channel, and that is it. Happy baking guys, and enjoy.